welcome back to our channel with little Nessa and Mommy Paulette. And we're back with another fun unboxing. What are we unboxing today? Allure. Allure. So today we have Allure, a little late, but hey, better late than never, right? Right? Alright, so we have the month of July, and we're going to unbox it. Go ahead. A little hope. Ooh, let's see what this says. Hold on, not yet. It says, got my mind on my manny and my manny on my mind. Although we don't have any mannies. We should have prepared. But hey, here's what the box says on the inside. It's pretty fun if you think about it.
Yeah, and let's begin.
Alright.
So first we have this card.
We have it's like a little magazine. It tells you, yeah, like a little book.
Like with makeup on it.
It tells you what's inside the box.
Yeah,
so,
like with makeup.
Yes. So Allure, if you're not familiar, is a $15 subscription box. But I have a special coupon for you. I'll put it in the description below, and towards the end I'll tell you more about the coupon. But this is a pamphlet, a little catalog that tells you a little bit more about each product and how much they cost. And they also have promo codes inside this. Alright?
Yeah, you can do a new better like us.
Alright.
This is the card.
So we have a coupon, a $20 gift card towards, I don't know how to say it, but let me say it, Bubble Bar. I've never shopped there before, but we'll check it out. Okay, moving on.
Our makeup.
Okay,
so
the first one is actually for the face, Mommy.
Yeah.
It's a facial mask.
Yeah.
And it's a rose petal.
Yeah.
I really like face masks because they're so relaxing. Yes.
And that's why we did our other video
With what?
the other video like that one.
We haven't done anything like this. So this one is by Feel Harmony, and I've never tried this brand, so I will keep you updated on the blog. But this is what it looks like. Alright, what's our next one?
Our next one is this. Eyeshadow.
No, it's actually, what is it? It's by Derma-E Essentials, and it's a sun protection mineral powder. So it's for the face. So this is what the packaging looks like.
Like we did our last night.
And let's open it up. And it's just like a small deluxe sample
like
of
an
their
eyeshadow.
powder. It's almost like an eyeshadow, but it's actually for the face.
Yeah, I'm just
So
telling you.
it's like a setting powder.
Yeah,
Here's
like
a closer look. Okay. And then, what's our next item?
this.
So this is actually for the lips. And it's by the Organic Pharmacy. And it's an antioxidant lip balm to soften and smooth your lips with shea butter and rose hip to keep those lips soft, you know. So here's what it looks like. And again, I will keep you updated on these products on the blog and do a review. We're just unboxing for now, alright?
Now this item is the eye.
It's for the lips. It's a lip liner, Mommy.
Yeah, to go inside your eye.
No, it's to go around your lips and to trace your lips. Yes, Mommy, it's for the lips. Alright, let me read it then. Alright, so this is a Makeup Forever, and it is a lip liner in a full red. Ooh, sounds very daring. So here is what it looks like. And I will swatch this for you in a little bit, and I will try it on for you too.
So this is this. They have blue and black, and very shiny. It's really tiny sparkle with right here everywhere.
Careful, remember what happened last time. This one is actually an eyeliner, and it's by DOUCCE. So this one, it is in the color blue. So again, my previous IPSY, I got a green one, and this time I got a blue. So definitely pushing me out of my comfort zone when it comes to eyeliner. So I will try that on for you in a little bit and swatch it too.
And
yes,
this, it has this for the
hair.
Yes.
So this one is by OUAI, and it's the leave-in conditioner. And ooh, I love leave-in conditioners. They definitely smooth your hair and makes it less frizzy. You too, yes, you love leave-in conditioners.
And also for me too.
Yes, we'll try it on you too.
And this is for the
face
again.
So this one is by Sunday Riley, and it's called Luna. It's a retinol sleeping night oil. I haven't tried this brand at all, and I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I'm excited to try it. And based on the book, at first glance, let's see how much it's worth. It is worth $105, guys, and this box is only $15. So this is the reason why I really wanted this box, because of this oil. Because hey, it's never too early to start taking care of your skin. Because I don't want no fine lines when I'm like 30 or 40. So I'm definitely going to try it out. And once again, I'm going to keep you updated on my blog post. So make sure you get in that blogging post bookmark. All right, keep going.
So Harry has this.
It's by Olay.
Olay.
And it's a whip. And it's the face moisturizer, and I've actually tried this one, and I don't know, I think it just felt very soft. Oh, look, confetti. Felt really soft, and you know, it's whip. I like anything that says whip, but I'll give this one a try again, and I will keep you posted on this whip by Olay. And so that's pretty much it, and then we have a lot of confetti. Woo-hoo. Party over here, party over here. Woo-hoo. So again, let's recap on these. How many items did we get? So we got Olay, the whip. Okay, we got the Sunday Riley Luna. We got the Derma-E Essentials powder. And then we got the Feel Harmony Rose Petal Face Mask. How many is that so far?
4.
And then OUAI, the hair leave-in conditioner. And then, someone can't put them back in the box. And then we got the lip liner and the lip balm by True Organic Pharmacy. And last but not least, DOUCCE, the eyeliner.
5.
So how many did we count here?
6. 7.
7.
7
items. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's actually 8. So it is time to swatch. Swatch time. Alright, so I'm going to start with this lip liner by Makeup Forever. And it's in full red. Okay, so it looks like a pencil. And let's see how it looks on it. So the tip just kind of broke off. But as you can see, it is really vibrant and really red. And I will try it on my face as well. But you know, I like the color. I think it would go with mostly all reds. And I like it. Alright, next we have by DOUCCE. We have the blue. And so this little tip is pretty much the blue you would expect inside. So let's see. So as you can tell, it's also a sharpener one. And so let's see how well this looks. Oh, I go again. Here I go again, breaking off the tips. But that's not good. Maybe I just pressed it too hard. but you can see how pigmented it is, and it does glide very smoothly. And I really like the color is so vibrant, and it's definitely something different. I will definitely get a lot of use of this because I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone when it comes to adding color to my face. So I'm digging this one. I'm going to go ahead and apply the lip liner by Makeup Forever in the color Full Red. I kind of got started, as you can see, but let me just finish it. Pretty smooth, and right now it's pretty sharp because of how brand new it is, so I like that right now. And supposedly you can also contour your lips to make them look fuller, so that's a good trick. If you don't have big lips, you can contour. Alright, so I actually brought my liquid lipstick in the by Wet n Wild in the color, let's see, in the color Missy and Fears. So I actually have never tried this one, so this is going to be fun to try on. So applying lip liner is also good to keep everything clean and nice. Because sometimes the wand might be a little too big and you might mess up. So this is a good tip to always apply lip liner when you are doing your lipstick, any type of lipstick. I'm going slow because I'm afraid to actually go outside the lines because it's such a very vivid red. So this is what it looks like. Again, if you're interested in this one, it is very inexpensive. It's about $4 and something. I've actually been wanting to do a review, so stay tuned for that. But that's actually from my own collection. So next we are trying the blue eyeliner by DOUCCE. See how that looks, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a little crazy since I have the red lipstick. So let's see. Very creamy. Oh, it's like a very I don't know, like a, not like your typical blue, but like a very sky blue per se. I like it. I like that. I don't know if it goes together, but I like it. I am digging this. Alright, so I hope you like my look. I'm going to complete the rest of the eyeliner, and I will take a picture right now so you can see a close-up of what everything looks like. Alright, and that's just a good way to add color to the summer. Hope you like my full look, and I will do a picture right now. That's it for today.
Yeah, and you see our next video.
So that's it for Allure.
Yeah.
And I hope you like this unboxing. Yes,
and
ma'am?
that's why you see our air video, our tube video.
Yes, make sure to tune into our last videos, which was an IPSY, and the other one was Julep.
Yeah.
And stay tuned for more unboxing videos because we have a major one, and that one I don't know how long it's gonna run, but it's gonna be exciting.
And we're gonna try this out.
We're gonna try it out, and again, I'll keep you posted on my blog at www.lollipopcouture.com, and I'll link all the links below in the description box. Yes, ma'am.
And you get a big thumbs up, a heart for you any day you want.
Yes, give us a big thumbs up if you like our unboxing video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys and girls and ladies and everybody